Hi guys, today I'm gonna show you how to use NordVPN on Warzone. So you can do it in PC version or in mobile version. So in my case, I'm using my mobile phone. So let's try first to download it in Play Store. So go search for Warzone and then click on install. So it's a bit large. So let's try to wait for a couple of minutes. So while waiting, go to our NordVPN. So let's assume that we have already downloaded the Warzone app. So all we gotta do is to connect our NordVPN for us to experience smooth gameplay and better experience. So all you gotta do is connect your NordVPN and then you're all set.